Grow your English with Grammar Sprouts. Basic vocabulary for changing a car tire. Flat tire. When a car tire loses pressure, it is called a flat tire. Car jack. A car jack is used to more easily lift the car in order to replace the tire. Wheel wedge. A wheel wedge prevents the car from moving as you work. Lug wrench. You use a lug wrench to loosen and remove the lug nuts on a wheel. Wheel cover. A wheel cover is placed in the center part of the wheel and conceals the lug nuts. Tire gauge. You use a tire gauge to check the tire pressure. 3 useful expressions to know. Oh no, it looks like I've got a flat tire. I need to pull over to the side of the road. Do you have a spare tire? Now you know some basic vocabulary to change your tire. Keep growing your English with Rowan Tree Learning Institute.